So right off the bat, the exhaust sound is just spectacular. I love how sporty it really is. Sounds really good. And so far the ride is really, really tame. So I have the radar cruise control on now, and it's already slowing me down to keep that safe distance between myself and the car in front of me. And the transmission's doing a really good job at shifting, honestly, making sure I'm in those sweet spots to save on fuel in eco mode. So for the most part, this really does drive well enough for me in eco mode. And of course it's a TRD, so I want to test out the sport mode, but still, it's just, the way it drives is fantastic. And overall, just driving through town, the car's been really quiet. So I'm intrigued to see how it does in sport mode when I open her up. All right, here we go. Surprisingly, very quick. And like I said, I just love that exhaust note. So I'm gonna put it back in the eco now. But wow, that was really great. And coming down the interstate, pretty good acoustics within the cabin. Actually, very good, because it's extremely windy out here today, and the wind noise it sounds just about as it does in any other car I test drive on a normal day. So really, really good acoustics in here. And this ride is superb, it really is. In the sport mode now and use the paddle shifters. Wow. It's really, really fast, but it's still an Avalon, so honestly, you don't feel like you're going that fast until you look down at the speedometer and it's like, wow, I'm doing 80. So just really, really great. And a lot of people are probably skeptical about an Avalon TRD because a lot of people think of an Avalon as an old person car or a luxury car that isn't meant to be sporty, but this right here is the best of both worlds. It really is. It's just an overall fantastic machine. I mean, these seats feel great. The steering wheel feels great. Very comfortable. But when you're ready, it turns into a 301 horsepower monster. It really does. And I put it back in the eco mode now, but sport mode's not bad even for fuel economy. I might be tempted to just keep it in that as a daily driver because it's just so much fun. And this is going to bring me to an end of my review of the 2021 Toyota Avalon TRD.